Hi there, Rebecca Antonelli here with DeAgify. I wanted to jump in with a quick hack, beauty hack number 9, wear self-tanner. I learned this from a woman I met at a beauty conference in New York City, and she was 44, and I had done it before but never thought to do it as a daily routine. The next day I went to the drugstore and I purchased Jergens Natural Glow in fair to medium. They come in all different sizes, and I even tried using the one I had already had with my body, and it works fine too. So wash your face, and if you use toner, put that on next, and if not, go to the next step. You go in and you take some Vaseline or moisturizer and you put it on all those dark spots. See, I got a big one right there. Any dark spots that you don't want to get darker. Don't put it on your whole face. Anyway, put that on, put a dab, just a small dab, not even a dime size, the tip of your finger. Work it into the fingertips so you get a little even thing. Touch your forehead, your cheeks, your chin, your nose, your neck, and your décolletage, and then you work it in. Make sure that you get into the hairline, not too far if you don't want greasy hair. Touch on your ears and your lobes. It's a very subtle color, but there's no sense in having any lines of demarcation or anything. So once you do that, you'll want to wash your hands next. And then after that, you get a washcloth or a paper towel, or I like using these pads a lot, and you go in and take off every place that you had put the Vaseline or moisturizer so that it doesn't soak up that tanner. And then you gently dab your face all the way around, ears, and this just helps set it, make it even, soak up any extra, and that's it. You will now put on any other moisturizer you want. This is enough moisturizer for me for the day, but by all means use your moisturizer. I do this in the morning, I don't do it at night. After 3 days, I've got a nice, good, youthful glow that's set up, and at the end of the day, you're gonna be really happy, because whether you wear makeup or not, you're gonna look in the mirror and you can go, oh, what's different about her? And it's because you got a little bit of color. Thank you so much. If you have any questions or comments about this or anything else, please enter them below, and we're happy to answer them. Have a lovely day.